Here we are in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It used to be a 3-bedroom, but we converted it into 2 bedrooms because always in these older mobile homes, the middle room is so small you can't even put a twin bed in there. So we painted all the cabinets white in here. They used to be a dark gray. We painted every wall. They used to be a dark gray. So now we have a fresh, bright white. Just laid down some new floors, tore the old ones out. And this is rolled linoleum. It actually works the best in mobile homes, which we found out through years of trying different flooring. We went back to the old rolled linoleum. This is the laundry room. As you can see, the walls look so pretty. Here we come into what we would call the master bedroom. Couple of things we had to fix in here. You gotta take that window unit out and clean it and pop it back in. The closets have been painted, so it looks fresh and bright. Looks much bigger too. And here we are in the master bathroom. It's kind of small, but we will be putting quarter rounds down, fresh quarter rounds made for the bathroom, which are waterproof, actually made out of PVC. My painter forgot to take his stuff. Zach, come and get your stuff. Put a new toilet seat on. And you see that cabinet there? That's the color of the kitchen cabinets. What a difference. So nice new floor. Pretty solid all the way through, and the living room has new carpet. Now in the bedrooms, it's a commercial carpet grade, so we will be able to steam clean those. So we come down the hallway into the second bathroom. It's a little bit bigger, I think. I don't know, I like the layout better. But everything's pretty well intact, the tub, no cracks. And then we'll come into here, which used to be a small room. We took down that wall and converted it into a large second bedroom. We will be putting the covers over the lights. They're being cleaned right now, and that window unit will come out. We'll clean it, pop it back in, and even the closets are painted. And it smells good too. So see this carpet? It's in pretty good shape, so I'm going to steam clean it really good. Put a dresser right there. Now this hallway, originally when we bought this home, they put tile down. It's been doing pretty good, so we're just going to keep it. Other than that, this one's about ready to go. It sits in a mobile home park with over 100 lots. And all I gotta say is I'm ready to get this rented out. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.